Okay, let's talk about how to use Google Slides as a way for students to type on a PDF. So first, you're going to have to grab that PDF. I'm going to open up an example here from a math module. This is a PDF, and let's say I only need one page for them to write on or draw on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to need to go to the the print option. And from there, you should see the option to save as PDF. If you're hooked up to a printer, it might default to that, but you should see the option as to save as PDF. From here, you're going to choose the page that you want to download. I'm just going to choose, let's go with page 2 for right now. And you could choose more than one page if you need to, but I just want this one page for them. And then I'm going to click save. I would definitely title it for yourself and then save it to your destination. I'm just going to save it on the desktop for right now. So now what I need to do is I actually need to get a screenshot of this PDF. So when I go to my desktop and I open up this PDF, I'm going to need to get a screenshot. So make this into an image essentially of this document. So I'm going to zoom out, okay, to a point where I feel like, I could go a little bit bigger just to get what I need for these kiddos, okay? And I am going to screenshot, so whatever tool you use to create that get that on your computer, take that screenshot. So now I've made this PDF into a picture, or a JPEG is what they call it. Okay, so now I need to go back to my Google Slides, and I am going to go to File and go to Page Setup and change the setup of this page. And I'm going to need to go to Custom, and I'm going to change it to whatever you want, but I'm just going to make this 8 by 11. That's technically what the size of a piece of paper usually is. And I might delete these text boxes. From here, you're going to take that image that you just made and make it into the background. So I'm going to go to Background, choose Image, and mine is on my desktop, but if you had it in your Google Drive already or somewhere else, you can grab it from there, but mine's on my desktop. So I'm going to go to Browse. There's the screenshot. And now you're going to see that PDF, which I turned into an image, is now here on this slide. So why you make it into a background is because now the students can't click on this and move it around like an image. They'd be able to move our image around because they're going to need to be able to edit and write on this or type on this. So you want it to be the image or the background of the slide so that they can't change it or move it around. From here, you're going to add your text boxes on where you would like them to type. This might be a bad example of a worksheet with the angles here, but it's okay. You get the point. So you could put in your text boxes. Some teachers like to actually fill them in a little bit so that they stand out. So they might make them gray. So you add those in to wherever you need to add them. Okay, might make it a different, you can make it whatever color you want. You don't even have to fill them in, but it does make it stand out to the student that that's where they're going to put their answer. So once you get those in, from here, you're going to put this into Google Classroom, just like you would in any assignment. You're going to want to make sure that you make a copy for each student. So each student would open this up on their own and then be able to type in these text boxes their answer. Okay. And then they'll send it back to you as the assignment. They'll turn it back into you. So you'll see what they've typed on this slide. One thing that you got to realize is that some students will delete the text box. Okay, so it might take a tutorial or a few times of telling them not to delete the text box or to show them how to make a new text box in case they delete it. But essentially, all they would need to do is click on it and then type in their answer for you. Okay, and then like I said, they would turn that back in, and when you open it up, you'll see this slide with their answers typed on it. And you can do this for any type of PDF that you would like students to work on.